Gonna shoot a hit factor based qualification that I kind of made with the help of a guy named Trigger Freeze from Washington. He developed it, but I added some tweaks and stuff on my end, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a shot, and I'm happy with it. I'm nearly done. I just need to finalize the paperwork side of it and implement it, and we'll see how it goes. Stand by. Hold up. Stand by. One 188. Stand by. The last headshot wasn't too pretty. .245 on that last one. Stand by. .178. .178 on that last one. Stand by. Three, two, one. Now we're back at the 15. Stand by. Staying back at the 15. Last one was a 444. Go the forwards, 4444. Stand by. All right. This is the last stage. It's going to be shot from the 25. It's 5 at the 25, 5 at the 15, and then 5 at the 7. So I'll run past that 10-yard cone. .420 was for that last run. Stand by. Oh. Time of 10:04. So with my headshots, the only thing I had a dilemma with was that instead of being this the only scoring zone for the head, anything in the head box in general would count as the headshot. Any rounds intended for the head into the actual body or silhouette itself would be counted as a miss. So like, obviously these are good, but these two or these three, they'd still count as the headshots. Let's score it and see what hit factor it got. All right, so did the math, counted it up, and I got a hit factor of 8.2143, a time of 28 seconds flat, which I've never had that before. 41 or correction, 41 alphas, 8 charlies, and that 1 delta boy. So how I'm gonna do it and how I'm gonna score it for the fellows whenever they qual on it, while I know this is Charlie, any rounds intended for the head box, so above the shoulders, I'm gonna count that as the alpha for the headshot. While it's not in the intended upper A credit card box, I'm gonna give that to them. So like I said, I think it's on stages 2 and 4 are my headshot stages, 5 rounds in total. So as long as they can hit the head above the shoulders, that'll give them those 5 points. Some people may not like that, but I'm gonna give it to them and award them on that for those headshots.